Every tool an exporter ever wanted in one platform, built by exporters for exporters. 10 tools, 1 login, and every figure traceable to the source it came from. Partner Finder. Who is actually importing your product, with contact details where they can be verified. Logistics Estimator. What it really costs to get there. Freight and clearing, not the factory gate. Tariff Calculator. Duty and VAT on live rates, so you price on landed cost. Because those are 2 different numbers. One gets the deal approved. The other decides whether it makes any money. HS Code Lookup. Classify it correctly before the border does it for you. Market Opportunity Finder. Which market to enter first, ranked for your product rather than for the average exporter. Trade Statistics. What a country actually imported, in what volume, and which way the trend is moving. And where the data stops, we say so. Some markets publish shipment records. Most of Europe does not. So we label how we know what we know. 25 free credits, no card. Ask it something you already know the answer to. Then, trust it with something you do not. ExportIQ. Every tool an exporter ever wanted.